you feel an inner calling for more. More joy, more abundance, more purpose. The life of your dreams awaits within your imagination. Begin manifesting it tonight. As you drift into sleep, affirm passionately, "Isn't it wonderful?" Feel those words resonate through your entire being. Imagine your new dream home, a peaceful sanctuary with breathtaking views of the ocean. Feel gratitude soak into every cell as you envision sipping coffee on the deck each morning. Isn't it wonderful? Or picture the fulfillment of starting your own non-profit, helping undeserved communities thrive. Hear the laughter of children learning and growing through your programs. Isn't it wonderful? Taste exotic foods and immerse in new cultures as you travel the world. Feel your heart open to all people while reveling in freedom and sublime beauty. Isn't it wonderful? Whatever you deeply desire, vividly imagine it fulfilled now. Summon the feelings of gratitude, joy, abundance. This is the fuel for creation. Persist for 30 nights or more. Lovingly nourish your intentions through steady focus and mindfulness. Move past doubts. Embrace your unlimited potential. Stay the course as signs emerge. An opportunity, insight, or new connection is the universe aligning to you. After 30 nights, expect your wish realized. As within, so without. Through disciplined imagination, you reprogram the quantum field. You hold the power to dream boldly and manifest courageously. Your thoughts and feelings from your reality wield this gift purposefully. May your dreams fill you with hope and positive intentions, igniting your future with possibilities. Imagine vividly. Friends, if this wisdom resonates, I humbly invite you to like and subscribe. It supports me in sharing more empowerment with you all. When we collectively manifest our highest intentions, anything is possible. Imagine vividly, feel deeply, proclaim, "Isn't it wonderful?" Create the life you know is possible.